Hello everyone, welcome back to all computer classes. So we were studying chapter 9 of class 6 and the chapter name is Internet Online Surfing. So today's topic is attaching a file. The second topic is replying and forwarding an email, right? So let's start the part 5 of chapter 9 and the first topic is attaching a file with an email. Now how to do this? You know that attaching a file with an email is an easy way to send an important document or a file. And what this file can be a photograph, this file can be a video, this file can be a music or letter or text document. It can be anything, right? So how we can send files, how we can send file with an email? So these are the steps. So the first step is, first we will see the steps and then we will do this practically, right? So the first step is click on the attach icon on the toolbar at the bottom of your compose window. When we will click on the compose window, we will get this option, right? After clicking on this attach a file icon, then we will have an open dialog box. From this open dialog box, browse through your file and select the file that we want to send, right? First we will click on the attach file icon, then we will have an open dialog box in front of us. In this we will browse the file and then we will click on open and then the file will be attached and then we can click on the send button to send it, right? Now let's see this practically, how we can send an file with an email, right? Now you see this is a compose button. Now I click on this. This is a compose window, and at this bottom we see a attach file icon. Can you see this? Now I want to send a file. Now what I will do, I will click on this icon, right? The moment I click, I will get to see this open dialog box. You can see now which file I want to send. I will click on the picture. For example, I want to send this file and this file. I will press Ctrl button in order to send multiple files. For example, I want to send these 3 files which are highlighted with the blue color, right? Now I'll click on open. Now you see these 3 files are uploaded, right? Now to whom I want to send this? So I will write an address. So the address will be, for example, I will write my own mail and then I'll write images and I'll write a message, hope you will like these pictures, right? So my typing work is done. I have given an email of a person to whom I want to send. I have given a subject, I have written some text for him or her, and the files are attached. Now just click on this send button, right? So the email is sent. Now where to see your sent email? So we'll click on this send button. Now we can see we have sent this email. So this email is sent to the person, right? So this is how we can send a file with the email, right? So now the small note, always remember we cannot send executable file, the file that we install or executable file or messages larger than 25 MB as an attachment, right? Like just we have done, we have sent some images, but if the size of the file exceeds 25 MB, then we cannot do this. But we have a solution, because nowadays internet provides some emerging technologies that enable us to transfer files beyond 25 MB. So some of the most popular services are WeTransfer and SendSpace. So now we will see how we can use WeTransfer for sending the file, right? You can send smaller and even the bigger files, right? So if the file is beyond 25 MB, we will use this. Now let's see how we can use WeTransfer, right? So now we will write, so how to use WeTransfer. For this we will click here and we will write www.wetransfer.com and we'll click enter. Now I have already logged in here, so this is the area that we will use for transferring a file. Now first of all, let's upload a file. Now I'll browse through. I have many files. Let me see some bigger picture. For example, I have these two files to send. I have clicked with the control button. In order to select multiple files, use control and click. If you will click only on single picture or video or anything, any file, so only one picture will be clicked. One picture will be selected. Now if you want multiple files, so you just press control and choose as many you want. For example, I have chosen these three. Now click on open, right? Now these three files are being uploaded. Now to whom I want to send? I want to send it to myself for now. Right, now title is already given. Message, if I want to give, useful videos. Now just press the transfer button. These three files will be transferred, right? Now it is showing the process of sending three files to one person, right? 70% is done. So I hope you find it easy. Just try these two methods to transfer your file and you will like it. Right, so you are done. Now the files are sent. These files are sent. This pop-up window is showing that you have sent these files. Now let's check in our email. This is my mail. Let me refresh this. So from WeTransfer I have refreshed it. Now this is WeTransfer. This is the email which I got. These are the pictures using send file. This is using WeTransfer. In this I have got some videos, so I can download these three items. Fine, I hope you will like it and you will find it easy and useful. Let's move ahead and learn more. Now steps are: click WeTransfer.com, open a link www.wetransfer.com, add a files. Now recipient's email address and then your email address, and then type the message and click transfer button. That's it. Now simply how to reply. If you receive some email, how to reply. This is very simple topic. Let's learn it practically. Now let's move back, and for example, I got this file, right? Now I will open it. Now at the end of the mail I will get these two options. If you can see, reply or forward. If I want to reply to the same person that I like your picture, I received it, it is useful, or send me more, anything. If I want to reply it, if I want to acknowledge him or her using the mail, I will use the reply option. And then if I want to forward the same content to some other person, I can use forward option, right? Now I'll use reply. I'll say thank you so much for sharing wonderful content me with me. Looking forward for more. Thank you. See you soon. Right? I have replied and I will press send button. So my reply is sent to the person. Right? Fine. So this is how we can reply. Right? Now I will use forward. For example, I want to forward the same content to somebody. So what I need, if I want to forward the content to some other person, what do I need? I need email of the person. So this is the here my icon is blinking. So it is asking for the email address to whom I want to send. For example, I will so for example, I have a person Komal Kumar, so I'll just click here. I want to send it to Suman, and I want to send it to as many person. So just write the email, and if you want to write some other content including this, so you can add here, or you can just click send, and the mail will be forwarded to the person. Right? So student, let's move back to the PPT and see. Now how to reply? Just click on the reply option displayed at the end of the received email. Now when we click here, we will add text and then we will click send button. You just saw it how I did in front of you. Now how to forward? You just saw we have a forward option is used to send a received email to other person. So for that we need email address. Just type the email address and send it. Right? So this is the end of today's topic. I hope you like it and just try it out practically. More you will practice, more you will learn. So see you tomorrow with more video and new content. Till then, take care, goodbye, and God bless you all.